G'day guys, Greg here. Now for lunch today I thought, you know what, I really feel like a hot dog. But then I thought, no, I want a hamburger. But then I thought, how about I combine them both together and make a hamburger hot dog? So that's exactly what I'm doing. Let me show you what I'm using. Well, not too many ingredients today. All I've got is some minced meat, a hot dog. I slice some onion up. I've got some tomato sauce here and some American mustard, man. Yeah. And you got to have sauerkraut on a hot dog, right? I've got some cheese as well. Of course, a hamburger bun, and well, you're going to need some butter. Because we all know the benefits of butter. When I was young, I was only like this tall. But then I started eating butter, and now I'm this big. Right, so how about we turn on the frying pan, get that warming up. And while that's happening, I'll just grab my bun. It's still a bit frozen because it was in the freezer. Like most things, when you take them out of the freezer, they're frozen. That's all right. And I'll stick some butter on there because that'll help lubricate it and take away some of that coldness, warm it up, and make it nice and easy to eat. Now this is an induction stove, so things really don't take long to heat up. Let's just see if this... Oh, God! Oh, yeah, that's hot. Hopefully it won't burn my buns. Actually, I'll turn it down a bit. And I'll add in the onions and start that cooking too. Now normally I'd add some oil or something like that in there to cook these onions, but I got some new frying pans and the lady said, whatever you do, don't add oil to it because it'll burn the bottom. Kind of like me after eating the curry. But let's just see, hopefully it's not burning the bottom on this one. No, well, it might leave a brown mark. Who cares? Now I'm just trying to get these buns toasted, that's all. A little bit brown underneath. Yeah, that's pretty good. Plus they're frozen, of course, so I'm trying to let them defrost a bit, but these onions looking good. Even without any oil or butter. But I can guarantee you 100% they'll taste better with butter on them. Oh yeah, lovely. But I'm pretty sure these buns will be ready by now, and I want to get that meat on. And my sausage. Oh, that is hot. I'll get that snag in there too. And of course the meat. Let me just shape it into a bit of a ball first before I stick it in. And push it down. Oh yeah! Look how big it is. Now I'll add some salt. And pepper to my meat, of course, always. And now we just need to cook these until they're cooked. Although there is one thing I should have done. And that is cut my sausage into hamburger size pieces. Crikey, O'Malley. Struth and Annie. That's alright. That's not hard to do. We're just going to cut it into little quarters, that's all. And that'll help it cook faster too. Cook my pretties. Cook faster. Oh yeah. Giddy up, sunshines. Now this meat looks like it needs a turning. Yama. Well, that's looking pretty well done. Now how about we start throwing this hamburger hot dog together. Alrighty. Right, let's start with the meat. And then I'll stick the hot dogs to just position those 3 in 1, I reckon. And we'll add some onion on top there. Actually, it cooked pretty well. Now I'll get some cheese because, well, you sort of want it to melt maybe a little bit, unless you don't want it to. And then that's the perfect place for it. Got some sauerkraut here. Oh yeah. Yum, I love this stuff. It's pickled, so it's just like adding pickles. Yeah. Who doesn't love pickles? And then some tomato sauce. It's an American man. Yeah. Now we just stick our bun on top. And there we have it. A hamburger hot dog fit for human consumption. Oh mate, I'm so excited. Oh man, there's juices running all down my arm. There's a massive smile on my face. Bits of hot dog falling out everywhere. And I'm pretty sure the person who invented the term living the dream was talking about this. Oh yeah! I hope this video helped you decide what you're going to make for dinner tonight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat a burger. See you then. Oh yeah!